Here we have a system of linear equations, two equations and two unknowns, and we're going to try to solve it using the augmented matrix techniques. And if we somehow don't get a solution, then it might mean the system is inconsistent, and we'll say so. So first thing to do is to convert it into an augmented matrix, which is just taking the numbers from the original equation and putting them in this format. And then we start doing row operations. I want to get 0 here, so if I subtract twice this row from this row, in other words, if I do R2, which is the second row, minus twice the first row and put that into row 2, then I'll get 4 minus twice 2 is 0, minus 5 minus twice 3 is minus 11, and so on. And